Once you have categorised the track plan into its various feature types, you'll be able to form an opinion as to the type of setup you need in your workshop. Do you want your car to be good at straights, bends, or somewhere in the middle? Workshop adjustments are accessed from the My Car menu. The aim of the adjustments is to get the performance percentages as high as you can for the feature types that you want to be best at, as these percentages will determine how fast your car can safely travel at. For instance, there's no point persevering with the special feature percentage if there are no special features shown on the track plan. However, if your track had 4 long straights and the percentage was quite low, you might want to think about your settings for this feature. The default settings are 10. It's up to you, but you can click or drag these settings to wherever you want them to be. As you move them, you will notice that the performance percentages change for the better or sometimes the worse. You'll see beneath each scale some text that might help you reach a conclusion. At first, your workshop adjustments will be slightly hit and miss, but experience shows that after you've raced a few times, you'll be able to set these very accurately. When you are setting your adjustments for a race, it is a good idea to use your best judgment to begin with and not overthink things. Go through the rest of the setup routines until you have had a practice lap, and then return to the workshop to make some changes. In this way you can compare one group of settings to another and will be able to determine which are the best for your car. There is no limit to the number of times you can do this.